Hi, I'm Tasman Monopoly, Cosmetic Chemist and trainee here at the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you a really interesting and cool product called a whipped cream soap. Let's get into it. Now, this is a really interesting and cool product form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to firstly put together my phase A ingredients. I've got my water here and I'm also going to add in a humectant. I've just chosen glycerin just for some skin conditioning. Now I'm going to pop this on heat. I'm only going to give this a bit of gentle heating to 50 to 55 degrees, as I am going to be adding some Hostapon SCI 85. Let the water heat to about 50-55 degrees, and then I'm going to add in my surfactant. Okay, now that this has just started to heat, I'm now going to add in my anionic surfactant. So this is what's going to make it foam. So I've chosen Hostapon SCI 85 in the powder form. You can also get this in flakes and other forms. Powder or flakes are best to work with, they're more easier. So I'm going to add this in. I'm also going to add a lipid. I've chosen to go with a medium skin feel lipid, a triglyceride. This is going to add a nice skin feel after wash off. And I do obviously want it to be creamy because it's a whipped cream soap, so I'm going to add in a little bit of cetyl alcohol. I'm just going to give that a stir and then continue to heat this until it is all homogeneous and dissolved and a nice creamy emulsion starts to form. Okay, now that that's cooled down a bit, I'm going to add in my heat sensitive materials. So I'm going to add in an extract. I've chosen to use some aloe vera extract. This has got some nice moisturizing and hydrating properties to it. I'm also going to add in an essential oil. I have just chosen to go with lavender, but you can pick your own. Some tocopherol, because I have used an essential oil. It also has some really good skin benefits as well. And I'm also going to add in preservative. Okay, I'm just going to give that one a stir. Now I do want to add a bit of a visual effect here, so I am going to add in a sparkly mica. You can pick any colour. I've just picked one that I have on hand. Okay, now I'm just going to adjust my pH. Now, like I said before, it isn't going to set straight away, so I'm going to cover it and leave it for a while. Okay, and this is what my whipped cream soap is looking like the next day. As you can see, it's quite whipped looking. Now it's got a really nice creamy and smooth skin feel there. I'm just going to add a bit of water here to show you that it does have a little bit of foam as well. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to receive notification on all our videos. Happy formulating!